Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're discussing a topic that many of us may face at some point in our careers: post-layoff trauma. Losing a job can be one of the most stressful experiences, and it's normal to feel a range of emotions, from shock and anger to sadness and anxiety. In this video, we'll explore how to cope with these feelings and take steps toward recovery. First, it's important to acknowledge what you're feeling. Layoffs can shake your sense of security and self-worth, leading to feelings of uncertainty and fear about the future. And let's be honest, companies often talk about caring for your mental health while you're on the job, but the truth is that concern often disappears the moment you're let go. It's a harsh reality, but recognizing it can help you move forward. Next, focus on self-care. This is a crucial time to take care of your mental and physical health. Engage in activities that make you feel good, whether it's exercising, meditating, or spending time with loved ones. Remember, your job doesn't define your worth, you do. It's also important to stay connected. Reaching out to your professional network can open doors to new opportunities. Let people know you're available and interested in exploring new roles. Networking isn't just about finding a job, it's about building relationships that can support you during tough times. Finally, take this time to reflect and plan. A layoff, while challenging, can also be an opportunity to reassess your career goals. Is there something you've always wanted to do but never had the chance? Use this moment to explore new paths and pursue what truly excites you. Remember, recovery from a layoff is a process, and it's okay to take it one day at a time. Be kind to yourself, stay connected, and keep moving forward. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone who might need to hear this message. Stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.